Riwruoge mopogore opogore migawo mar thieth dwaro ni oketh gwelo manyotim e tende bede migepe migawo no ka gikwer ni gwelo manyotim notimre ataro mar chik. Ging'ur ni migawo mar thieth nopogo lemo mana ne lakteche kata obedo ni migawo no nigi jotije mamoko e kidienje 32. Bende giwuoro gimomiyo jotije sirikal kata jataa chenro mar weche thieth Patrick Amoth pok ondiki ayanga kata obedo ni osetiyo lemo no kuom kinde malach. Jochiw thieth go wacho ni gichiwo thuolo mar ndalo 7 ne jatend migawo mar thieth Susan Nakumicha mondo oketh welogo kendo chak manyien kao kamano to gibuogo dhi doho.
In the Kenya Kwanza manifesto of the current government, the plan on health, they also say that they want to prioritize primary health care as their vehicle to achievement of universal health coverage. But the appointments we are seeing is a sharp contrast of that fact. We have seen some of the very rare specialists. They are being poached from KNH and now being brought into an office. We are not here to complain about the doctors, but we are here to complain against discrimination of other cadres and having one cadre to drive the policies in the health sector when we have 32 cadres in the health sector. And that is why we want the appointments to be revoked and a competitive and transparent process to be initiated. And the result should be that we have a diverse team from all the cadres so that when they sit to develop policy, then it is practical that they are going to have something that has inputs from the people who are actually on the ground and people who are working.
Ogai marazimio la umoja Raila Odinga